Hey everybody, welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video in Solidworks. My name is Mike and today I'm going to talk about sheet metal, right? Now, we're going to make a very simple object that will allow me to talk a little bit about sheet metal and also about applying welds and that kind of stuff, okay? So what we're going to do first is make a sketch. So we're going to go to File, New and Part just to get started. Then we're going to click on Sketch. We're going to create a center rectangle. Select our top plane, pull that out, something like this. Then we're going to define the edges. So we're going to go to Smart Dimension, pull this out. We'll make that an even 100. We'll define this guy as well. We'll make that, let's say, 200. Why not? Okay. And now we're fully defined. We're going to click Accept. And now we have our sketch for the base plate, all right? Now, if you go to sheet metal, and first of all, let's, if you don't have the tab sheet metal in your lineup here, you just right-click, go right-click on any of these tabs, go to tabs, and then look for sheet metal and click that, right? Okay, so we're gonna go to sheet metal, and now we have the option base flange tab. So when I click on that, and now get the option to define that sheet metal, right? So what's the thickness and so forth. And you can go as far as, you know, bend allowance and auto relief and that kind of stuff. I'm not going to deal with that right now, but you can, just so you know, right? Okay, and you can use a gauge table as well. I'm just going to manually go in and give it a thickness of 2 millimeters. Okay, let's say I'm happy with this, click accept. And now I have my base plate, right? Okay, now I wanted to make a very simple box, so I need edges. Now, luckily we have the option here, edge flange. So we're gonna go in here, and as I start to click on these edges and pull them up, I get an edge flange. I can go in here and change the height if I want. Let's say 50, for example. I can go in here and do that. Do that, and do that, right? Let's say I'm happy with all of this. I'm going to click accept. So now I have a kind of a box, if you will, but as you can see, the corners are open and nothing is welded and so forth. Now we have the option to do that, and the option can be found under corners right here. Under corners, if you click on that, you have closed corner, welded corner, break corner, and corner relief, right? And I'm going to go with a welded corner. Now, when I click on that, I can go and click on 1 and 2, and as I do that, you'll see that it turns yellow, and now you can see that this has the look of a weld, right? And you can, in the options here, you can define the size in millimeters. You can add the weld symbol if you want. You can do all of that, but we're going to say that this is good, right? And of course, you're going to want that here as well. And I dropped the other one, so let's accept first. And there you go. So let's go and do the other ones. Two more. And just to show this in perspective, you'll see that you now have a sheet metal box where the corners are welded, right? It's funny how the 3D mouse starts to respond differently when it's in perspective mode, but hey, that's how you do it, right? So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you in this short little video, the whole idea behind sheet metal and how you can define the details and how you can work from a base plate, right? So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'd love to see you guys again in the next video. Bye.